In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for Zoho Mail. Zoho Mail is a reliable email service that offers a seamless communication experience and integrates well with other Zoho applications. The sign-up process is straightforward, and I'm here to guide you through each step to ensure you're set up without a hitch. The first thing you need to do is open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Zoho Mail website. You can do this by entering the URL, which is www.zoho.com/mail, directly into your browser's address bar. Once you're there, you'll see a welcoming interface that gives you an overview of the features Zoho Mail has to offer. Spend a moment here if you'd like to explore, but for now, let's proceed with creating an account. Next, you'll want to locate the Sign Up section on the page. Here, you'll begin with entering your full name. This will be the name displayed when you send emails, so be sure it's the name you want your recipients to see. Simply click into the field and type your name. Following that, you'll be prompted to enter your email address or phone number. This is crucial as it will serve as your primary method for logging in and recovering your account if needed. Make sure that the email or phone number you provide is one that you regularly use and have access to. After inputting your email or phone number, you'll need to set a secure password. This part is especially important for keeping your account protected. A strong password typically includes a mix of lowercase and uppercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Aim for one that is easy for you to remember, but difficult for others to guess. Once your password is set, the next step involves agreeing to Zoho's terms of service. You'll find a checkbox to tick indicating that you agree with the terms. I highly recommend taking a moment to read through these terms, as understanding them is important before proceeding with your new account. With everything filled out and the terms agreed upon, you're ready for the last step. Click on the Sign Up button to complete the process. This action will finalize your registration, and if everything was entered correctly, you should see a confirmation that your account has been successfully created. Congratulations! You're now the owner of a brand new Zoho Mail account. Be sure to explore the interface and familiarize yourself with the various features and settings that Zoho Mail provides. It's always beneficial to customize your settings to suit your preferences, enhancing your email experience. Thank you for following along today, and happy emailing with Zoho Mail.